Selamat pagi, everyone. Tara makasi karana meluangkan masa hari ini. Saya ingin memperkenalkan tajak persembahan kita yang bertajuk IoT-Integrated Solar Energy Learning System with a portable design for technical education in Malaysia. Pada hari ini, kita akan membincangkan inovasi dalam pembelajaran tenaga surya yang mengintegrasikan Internet of Things, dan bagaimana reka bentuk yang mudah ini dapat memanfaatkan pendidikan teknikal di Malaysia. Kita akan melihat siri-siri utama sistem ini, manfaatnya, dan potensi impaknya terhadap pendidikan serta pembangunan tenaga lestari. Jadi, mari kita mulakan dan terkai idea hebat ini bersama-sama. Let's talk about the introduction of solar energy. Solar energy is a sustainable solution that can help us address power shortages effectively. By integrating IoT technology, we not only enhance our understanding of renewable energy systems, but also promote environmentally friendly practices. What's exciting about this approach is that it introduces mobility within the application, making it more versatile and accessible. This is especially useful for educational purposes, helping students and learners understand both solar energy and IoT in a practical, hands-on way. Ultimately, this project empowers learners to engage with real-world applications of renewable energy and smart technology, connecting innovation with sustainability. Let's talk about the motivation behind this project. As we move towards Industry 4, the importance of IoT-based learning tools becomes increasingly clear. These tools are essential because they help us prepare for the future of manufacturing and technology. We see that almost all industries are now adopting advanced technologies like robotic arms and solar power systems. This shows how integrated and innovative Industry 4 is becoming across different sectors. This trend really inspires us to develop a project that leverages solar energy as the main power source. Our goal is to create a training kit that not only demonstrates IoT integration, but also promotes renewable energy. By doing this, we hope to contribute to a sustainable and technologically advanced future. This motivation ties directly into our overall theme of embracing smart, eco-friendly solutions for education and industry. Today, I want to give you an overview of the learning kit we're developing. As you can see, solar energy is a renewable and sustainable source, which makes it a really viable alternative to traditional electricity, especially in areas where the power grid is unreliable or even unavailable. Now, when we combine solar energy solutions with IoT-based control systems, we unlock two major benefits. First, we promote technological literacy, helping students understand modern energy systems. And second, we provide affordable, eco-friendly lighting options that can truly make a difference. This project is all about developing and implementing a solar energy learning kit that includes IoT features. The idea is to create an educational tool that allows students to interact directly with a small-scale solar system. They can see how it operates in real time, which makes the learning experience more engaging and practical. Ultimately, this kit aims to connect the dots between renewable energy, technology, and sustainability, key themes that are central to our overall presentation. It's about empowering learners to understand and innovate in the energy sector, paving the way for a greener future. Enhancing learning through IoT integration. The IoT Solar Learning Kit is a fantastic tool that makes learning more interactive and hands-on. It combines renewable energy concepts with modern technology, which really helps students see how these fields connect in real-world applications. This kit encourages practical skills, especially in wiring and managing real-time circuit systems. By working with this kit, students don't just learn theory, they get to apply what they learn in a tangible way. This approach deepens understanding and makes the learning experience more engaging. Overall, integrating IoT into education like this aligns perfectly with our goal of fostering innovative, tech-savvy learners prepared for the future. Today, I want to highlight the main objectives of our project. First, we're focusing on testing the kit's solar energy capabilities, specifically its functionality and effectiveness. Our goal is to present this as an educational tool for students involved in manufacturing. The key idea here is creating components that enable users to build and understand a real solar power system. This isn't just theoretical, it's about hands-on learning. Next, we aim to develop a practical IoT solar training kit that uses actual tools and working components. This ensures that students can gain real-world experience, making their learning both meaningful and applicable. Finally, we're designing a solar energy system based on this educational kit, integrating IoT applications. This approach helps students grasp how solar energy systems work in real life, combining practical skills with modern technology. Overall, these objectives tie into our broader goal of advancing solar education and fostering a deeper understanding of renewable energy systems among students. As IoT becomes more integrated into various industries, there's a clear and growing demand for educational centers that can teach and train people in this technology. This trend presents a significant opportunity for our project, not just in terms of creating a product, but also in terms of the broader market potential for establishing educational hubs. These could be technical learning centers or vocational institutes that focus on IoT skills. The investment needed to develop such centers is outweighed by the marketability and the increasing need for skilled IoT professionals. Overall, this slide highlights how the rising interest in IoT education could open up new avenues for growth and collaboration within the industry. Welcome to Slide 8. Here, we're showcasing the innovative portable IoT learning kit. The IoT Solar Energy Kit is designed with a training kit box that neatly organizes all the electrical components in a compact zone. This means the entire kit is not only powerful, but also lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. It's truly a portable solution for hands-on learning. What really sets this apart is the originality in its design. The compactness doesn't sacrifice functionality. Instead, it enhances convenience and accessibility. This aligns perfectly with our overall theme of making IoT education more accessible, practical, and engaging. By keeping everything organized and portable, we're enabling learners to experiment, learn, and innovate anytime, anywhere. It's about bringing flexibility and creativity into IoT education, and this kit embodies that perfectly. Now, let's talk about the breaker switch for the main circuit. The IoT Solar Energy Kit includes this safety feature to make handling and maintenance much safer. Essentially, the breaker switch acts as a safeguard, allowing us to disconnect the power quickly and easily when needed. This is especially important during troubleshooting or maintenance activities, as it helps prevent electrical accidents. By turning off the breaker switch, we ensure that the circuit is completely de-energized, reducing the risk of shocks or damage. This safety key point aligns with our overall focus on responsible and secure handling of renewable energy systems. It's a simple yet crucial component that enhances safety and peace of mind while working with the kit. Let's take a closer look at the schematics diagrams on this slide. Here, we have three key diagrams: the full electrical diagram, the 12-volt IoT basic diagram, and the 12-volt solar basic diagram. These schematics are essential because they give us a clear visual representation of how all the components are interconnected. The full electrical diagram provides a comprehensive overview of the entire system, showing us how power flows through different parts, from the power source to the various loads and control units. It helps in troubleshooting and understanding the system's overall architecture. Moving to the 12-volt IoT basic diagram, this focuses on the integration of IoT devices within the system. It highlights how sensors, microcontrollers, and communication modules are connected to enable remote monitoring and control. This is a crucial part of modern automation, making systems smarter and more adaptable. Finally, the 12-volt solar basic diagram illustrates how solar energy is harnessed and managed within the system. It shows the connection between solar panels, charge controllers, and batteries, emphasizing sustainable energy management. These schematics are vital because they connect the theoretical concepts we've discussed earlier to practical implementation. They allow us to see exactly how the components work together to achieve a reliable, efficient, and smart electrical system. Now, in this slide, you'll see a series of photos that illustrate the step-by-step process for using the kit successfully. Each image demonstrates a key stage in the application, helping you visualize the procedure from start to finish. As we go through these steps, keep in mind that following the correct sequence is crucial for optimal results. This process is designed to be straightforward, but attention to detail ensures safety and effectiveness. Remember, these images are a helpful guide to reinforce what we've discussed so far, and mastering this sequence connects directly to the overall theme of proper application and safety. So, let's walk through each step together to make sure you're confident in using the kit correctly. Now, in this slide, you'll see the photos that illustrate the step-by-step process for using the kit successfully. Each image shows a key stage, helping you understand exactly how to carry out the procedure. This visual guide is designed to make the application straightforward and ensure you get the best results. Remember, following these steps carefully is essential for achieving consistent and reliable outcomes. Connecting this process to the overall theme, it's all about precision and proper technique to maximize the kit's effectiveness. So, take your time, refer to these photos, and keep this sequence in mind whenever you're applying the kit. Thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate your attention and engagement throughout this presentation. I hope you'll have a good day ahead, filled with productivity and positivity. Remember, the key points we've discussed are all about how these strategies can make a real difference in your work or personal projects. I encourage you to take what you've learned here and apply it confidently. Once again, thank you for being here, and I wish you all the best moving forward.